Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not available these options that maintenance is linked with project related to your task, but using this maintenance job order you can do that. You can see here our module Dev maintenance job order. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our maintenance module is installable. Go to maintenance, go to request, select anyone. I select some key are not working. See here all details. And you can see here this button create job order. Click on. So see here this warning, select project. So first select your project. So I select research and development. Let's save. Now create this. And see here this one job order is created related to your project. So click on. So you can see here this maintenance request is some keys are not working. Here also display. And I did selected project is research and development. Now again create. Again click on this button. So see here display total 2 job order. So here display total 2 job order because I created total 2. Thank you.